This is a review of telescope. Field of vision is infinite and wonderful. These are the application areas. Let's see what we have inside the box. Here is the user manual, cleaning cloth. This is the mounting attachment for your phone. Small tripod. And here is the telescope. Let's go ahead and install it on the phone and see how it's gonna work. Open it first, and then we can just put it there. That's good. And open it like that. Now it's good. Put the phone right there. We'll put the phone like that. Just bring it over there and make sure it is tight. Now it's good. We're gonna put the telescope right here, however you like. And then open this area. We will use this camera, and accordingly we need to adjust it right there. You can adjust the quality of the video or the picture right here. See, for example, that one. Wow. Normally I'm recording this area, and when you look at it, it is very sharp, and you can even make it sharper like that. I can definitely suggest this product. You see, it can do so many things, but your phone cannot do. If you want to record somewhere that's far, definitely you can use this product. Let's check it out outside. And now this is what you can see.